Alright, here we go. Hello, mister. How are you today?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Alright, so I am as tourist guide for today. So what do you think about, I just know this. Yeah.
It's been really good. Safi has been really enthusiastic. We're here at the Tsunami Museum now, and it's been fascinating. Really interesting. Very good.
So what do you think after you watch, the common Tsunami at the time, the movie?
The movie was interesting. It was shocking the amount of damage it did, and it's good to see all the improvements and rebuilding that's been done.
Heartbreaking then.
Heartbreaking,
yeah.
Right? So after tsunami's disaster at the time to 2004 at the time, but now better in Banda Aceh knows it, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So,
I mean, the improvements are massive. The city looks great, and the more important thing is the peace as well, which seems to be holding.
Alright, thank you for your opinion about Aceh, including Banda Aceh. I hope you're gonna be someday to come to Banda Aceh. Alright, thank you, mister.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.